How to type bold text on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to type bold text on Facebook. So let's begin. Since we cannot use the Facebook app in making our text bold, what I would like you to do is first have a working internet connection by connecting to a Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And then, once you have connected to your Wi-Fi or mobile data, make sure also to open your favorite web browser such as Safari or Chrome right here. So open it and then type in yatext.com. So this is a free website in which you may be able to edit or change the font of or the font style of your text. So for example, you may type in hello right here. And then as you can see, there are actually a lot of formats right here, such as the strike through right here, the short slash, the long slash, and many more. And then since you want your text to be bold and don't need to scroll right here if you want. If you don't want to, you may search it right here on the topmost. So type in bold right here and then wait for this results to pop out and then choose the bold sans serif script or whichever you want. So I'll just choose the bold sans right here and type in hello, for example, and then uh, choose your favorite or your desired font like this one. So you may copy it by clicking on copy, then go back to Facebook, click on what's on your mind, paste the text, and then as you can see, it has been turned into bold. So just a comparison, this is the bold one and then this is the default one. So do take note that you may use this on Facebook as well as in Messenger and also I think on Instagram. So that's it. That's how you can type bold on Facebook. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.